Hey guys, it's me, Dutch Lockpicker. I'm going to do some practice with some cuffs and chains and padlocks. So for now I'm going to do some practice from the back. Single locked. Let's see if I can do it. Easy. Let's try to do these. And the next will be the change, and then I have some special edition. I like the videos with 62 Charles Watt, my brother, seeing him on a chair. I will do some chair stuff too, but I will do it in a different way. I will do it with pain, so it will be fun, guys. So keep checking and see you on the next one. Bye bye.